Alright, so we're out here at Knauz today, and we're gonna check out the Grenadier right behind me, this thing right here. And I'm gonna tell you some really fun facts about this vehicle in a few minutes. You're gonna love it. So I got the keys to the Grenadier. This is a new, I guess, big SUV that's like a, I don't know, like a tank, like a Land Rover. If you look at it, this is wild, dude. If you take a look, it literally has Discovery vibes, like literally, / Land Rover. And I know my guy was telling me that it also has BMW parts, a couple of G-Wagon parts in here, and these were built in France at a factory. And it's freaking cool, man. Check this out. I got the keys to it right here right now. We're gonna love this thing. Before I get started with that truck, I just want to let you know that all these back here are sold. Every single one of them are sold. They've been waiting 4 years for this project to get released, and it's finally here in North America. And there's really fun facts about this. I'll tell you guys in a minute right now. So let's go back into the other ones, since I got the keys for it right here. We're gonna check out this blue one over here. All right. INEOS Grenadier is an off-road utility vehicle designed and produced by Ineos Automotive Ltd. It went into production in October of 2022. The Grenadier was designed to be a modern replacement of the original Land Rover Defender with a boxy bodywork, steel ladder chassis, beam axles with a long travel progressive rate coil spring suspension, and powered by a BMW 6-cylinder internal combustion engine. How do you like that? This is gonna be awesome. All right, so we got the keys to this Grenadier, and I'm gonna insert the key in the ignition here really quick, get the lights on, and let's see what we can play with here. Oh wow, this is really nice. Wow, all the toggles up here. It's got power, inverters, it's got drift, it's got downhill, and it's got the EC off, all the traction control. This is nice, dude. These start out at 70 grand, he says. 70 grand for these. What do you guys think? Would you pay 70 grand for one of these? It's like a tank, bro, literally. It's got your high and low, all your options here. I love it. The inside of this guy, look at this thing. Look at the top of this. It's like a tank, bro. Holy smokes, man. It's got a BMW shifter. Look at that. OMG, this is freaking nuts. Take a look at the back seat. There's so much space back here. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. What do you guys think about this? Drop your comment below and let me know what you think. Grenadier, INEOS Grenadier, right there. INEOS Grenadier. Alright guys, let's play with the colors, because they have some very interesting, unique, flavorful, sexy, if you want to say that, colors for this Grenadier. I got a few that I actually really like. One of them is like a blue shade. Where is it at? Let's go back a little bit here. This one. Yeah, I love that one, and I love the magic mushroom. And here's a closer look at this color in the sun. Look how sexy that color looks. Definitely looks like a Sahara Safari truck. Drop your comment below. Would you buy this truck? And if so, which color would you pick? Would you go with the mushroom gray, or Eldorado blue, or sunshine orange, or sunshine pink? I don't know. This truck is pretty cool. I actually really like this truck, guys. It is very tasteful, very unique, and it's the new thing.